The giant taro plant, the remedy for the stings you get from the stinging tree. So what you are going to do is just simply get one stalk of this, okay, and then rub this around the affected area. This plant, or the bajang, it contains saponins and other chemicals or substance that is somewhat known to be pain receptor. And then itchiness or swelling from the stinging tree is some type of pain, so maybe that's why it can neutralize the itchiness and the pain which is being caused by the stinging tree or the alingatong. So every time you apply the sap of this, you need to cut a new part. So every application, you must cut a new stem. So you will not get reinfected by the toxins that is being taken away from the bajang.